Welcome to Shopify Tutorials by FoxEcom. In this video, we'll show you step by step how to add complementary products to your store, helping your customers discover items that go well together, boosting your average order value, and making your store work smarter. We'll be using the Sleek theme from FoxEcom as our example. If you're already using Sleek, or considering it, you'll see exactly how it works in action. Let's get back to our tutorial. So, why add complementary products in the first place? Complementary products are items that pair naturally with what your customer is already viewing. For example, if a customer is browsing a facial polish, you can suggest a sunscreen lotion to complete their skincare routine. Our tip is to make sure the complementary items genuinely add value, not just random upsells. Next, let's set up your complementary products using the Shopify Search and Discovery app. Here's how. From your Shopify admin, go to Apps, then Search and Discovery. In the app, open Recommendations, and choose the product you want to add complementary items for. Then, manually select up to 10 items that pair well with this product. Double-check the inventory of the complementary items. If they're out of stock, they won't show up. Now that you've selected which products will be shown, let's display them on your storefront. The settings might be different across themes. In this example, we're using the Sleek theme. Sleek is a modern, high-performance Shopify theme by FoxEcom, known for its clean design, flexible customization, and built-in conversion-boosting features. Navigate to a product page template in the theme editor. In the Product Information section, or similar, look for the block for complementary products. Position the complementary products block near the top of the product page, ideally in the Product Information section, so customers see it quickly. Keep the number of items reasonable, 2 to 3 visible, so it doesn't overwhelm. Paginate additional ones if needed. On mobile, check how it appears. Customer experience on a smaller screen matters. Beyond showing complementary products on a product page, you can also use the cart as a moment for cross-selling. FoxEcom themes, including Sleek, offer a cart drawer section that includes cart recommendation functionality. In the cart drawer settings, look for cart recommendation or similar wording. Ensure the Search and Discovery app is installed and configured, because recommendations rely on it. That's it. You now know how to set up and display complementary products on your Shopify store. If you're using the Sleek theme, you're in great shape. It supports both product page recommendations and in-cart cross-sells through the cart drawer. If you're using a different theme, the steps are similar. Ensure the theme has a block or section for complementary or recommended products, then connect it with the Search and Discovery app. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more Shopify tips from FoxEcom. Until next time, happy selling!